Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1 inch IPS touchscreen Android 9 Pie system special for Honda CRV. Okay, let me introduce. You can choose the logo and you can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units, telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Honda logo, Honda, and change the CMA detail. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Touch button can be work. Okay. There is special harness for Honda CRV. You can check. This is a compass box and this connector for Honda CRV. Okay, it will come with 10 minutes. Let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and about motion you can check. This is MCU volume. CPU is octa-core PX5, RAM 4GB, Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB. Okay, all apps are here. It's built-in DSP amplifier. It's DSP. And it's built-in Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay. First, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check this pin number and the Bluetooth name. Let me open my phone. You can check, please connect the enable Bluetooth and click search button. You will get Galaxy S8 and connecting. Your phone will get the message. Okay, put the pin number 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click OK. Okay, it's connected to Bluetooth. You can make a phone call. Okay. Let me show the streaming music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. The YouTube. Let me show the Google Maps. There are no, sorry for it doesn't work the Google service in our country. Let me show the USB hub. You can check this USB hub. USB. This is USB 3.0. USB 3.0. There are 4 USB. This switch. Okay. Our header unit supports the USB hub. Connect. You can check this switch will on, off. Okay. There are 2 USB cables on back of header unit. Let me connect one of USB ports. This USB 3.0. Okay, it will play music automatically. It supports USB hub. Let me show the DSP. This DSP. This subwoofer. You can adjust. Pop. Okay, this DSP. This is 4K Samsung 4K demo video wrote the word. It's full screen. Okay. Let me show the music. You can check it's supposed to run Google navigation and music at the same time. Split screen. This is for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.